Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost. So these are the two controls here that you'll need to watch for. This is your front defrost, this is your rear defrost, and you can also have other settings like this one. So the front defrost would be on while it also blows air on your feet. So to turn them on, you can just click them, and when that's lit up, that means the front one's on, and this would mean the rear one's on. And the way this front one works is it's now controlled by the fan. So your fan speed, if you want it to blow a lot out of up here, or just spin this to make it blow really low. But the air coming out of that front is your defrost. Typically you have it hot, just so it is melting anything that might be building up on your windshield. And even if you have this really hot, you still might want the AC activated, just because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air so you don't have your glass fogging up. And when you're done with all of it, you can either just make sure the fan's all the way off, or you can just push this button again to make sure it's off. Same with this one, just make sure it's turned off all the way if you want it off. And the rear one, the way that works is, if you can see in the video, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanisms, so when this is activated, those will start to heat up to start melting any ice that might be building up. And same thing when they're done with that, just make sure this is turned off. If you're having issues with these not lighting up, the first thing I would probably check are your fuses. A burnt fuse might make the system inoperable. If that doesn't work, you might need to check behind this plastic, make sure there's no loose connections where these buttons lead that need replaced or just reconnected. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.